Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at what are misplaced modifiers. Let's get started. A misplaced modifier is a type of modifiers in English. A misplaced modifier is also known as ambiguous modifier. The use of misplaced modifiers is considered to be grammatically incorrect or mistake. Let's dive into the misplaced modifiers, how it is used, why it is considered to be a common mistake, and how to fix misplaced modifiers and help you understand how to avoid misplaced modifiers. This video covers what are misplaced modifiers, why is a misplaced modifier a mistake, and the difference among misplaced, squinting, and dangling modifiers. What are misplaced modifiers? Before you learn what a misplaced modifier is, learn what a modifier is. In simple language, a modifier is a word, phrase, or clause that gives us information about another word or phrases in a sentence. Adjectives, adverbs, or words, phrases, or clauses which act as adjectives or adverbs can be used to add additional information about other words in a sentence. Therefore, they come under the grammatical category of modifier. Modifiers are used either directly before the words or phrases they modify or after them. The placement of modifiers is essential because if not placed correctly, the modifiers can spoil the intended meaning of a sentence. For example, this is wrong. My brother went to see the doctor with loose motion. And this is right. My brother with loose motion went to see the doctor. When a modifier is placed in a wrong position in a sentence, it is known as misplaced modifier. You can see in the example above that the modifying phrase with loose motion is put far away from the word brother, which it modifies. Let's dive into the definition and types of misplaced modifiers along with example sentences and how they can be corrected with a little effort.